Do you encourage children this whole debate on vegetarianism and sports?
This is a good question you ask. So why I don't talk about being a vegetarian is for a single reason. Do not think कि रोटी प्याज दाल खा के आप खेल लोगे. एंड जनरल लोगों के दिमाग में यही आता है. द फर्स्ट थिंग पीपल आस्क इज प्रोटीन कहाँ से मिलेगा. यू ऑलरेडी नो द पर्सन हैज नो नॉलेज और लैक ऑफ नॉलेज. So people like Virat and me have played for last 6 years at the top level, physically being vegetarian. So वो myth तो गया कि vegetarians can't play. But what me and Virat eat is extensive, expensive right now, and it's not easy to bring on the table. We eat a lot. We are really fortunate. We got chefs. We got nutritionists. 2-3 तरह की सब्जी, cereal, quinoa, सैलड, नट्स, फ्रूट्स, पोमेग्रेनेट, बहुत चीज़ें हैं टेबल में जो हम खाते हैं. तब जाकर वी गेट द इनफ फ्यूल नीडेड टू परफॉर्म. सो इसीलिए मुझे डर लगता है बोलने में. हाँ वेजिटेरियन खेल लो. आई डोंट नो, सम किड माइट थिंक दाल रोटी खा के खेल लूंगा मैं, और नहीं खेल पाएगा दोस्त. एट टॉप लेवल नहीं खेल पाएगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई रेस्ट्रेन माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम सेइंग कि हाँ वेजिटेरियन इज गुड. A lot of effort from my chef and my wife goes every day to make food for me. Every day. I'm
You
very
take your
fortunate.
dabba?
No. I eat at
What's
home.
your
only.
diet? For example, you wake up, what do you eat? Like, if you can
Please
break it
don't
down.
say
For,
quinoa, cutlet or something.
if you can break it down
But
from
yeah,
morning to...
samosa कभी तो खाते होगे?
That's a cheat meal. Whenever I wish to, I'll eat that. But generally the same stuff. I mean, it's the same fruits, it's the same seeds, same nuts, same quinoa, same red rice, same sabjiyan.
Anushka is saying this, you know, there's one Instagram pe wo video hai where she says that this is what she eats, right? And she takes the names of several millets. I'm not doing it because I don't want to say ki kya hai. So she's sitting next to Diljit Dosanjh,
yeah.
and she takes the name mein Amaranth ye wo quinoa, and he's like, हैं ये क्या है? And she says, look at the way he's looking at me. She says, मैंने कभी नाम ही नहीं सुना.
नहीं, वो जरूरी भी नहीं है कि आपने कीनवा ही खाना है.
Yeah.
There are a lot of Indian options to it.
Yeah.
Ragi is one of the best. I love ragi. Me and my son loves ragi.
God, that's such a Bangalorean now.
Is it?
Yeah. I mean,
Okay, but
there was a time where Karnataka's had a chief minister who became a prime minister, Deve Gowda, and his favorite food is ragi mudde, which is the ragi
I
like
love
an
ragi.
idli, like a. I mean, for those who don't know what it is, it's like a golu
And you have to
round. Yeah.
swallow it.
Yeah, so the current chief minister, he is another ragi eater. So you swallow that. I can't do
But
it.
ragi is good, and also idli is good because it's
Yeah.
fermented also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So again, you don't have to go on labels and buy expensive stuff. We Indians throughout the country, we have so many good options. So if कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, I'm talking about diet, जो घरे बन रहा है ना, वो खा लो.
आपके घर में क्या बनता था? Like you're
When I
from a
was growing
Gorkha
up-
background.
Yeah.
So
When I was growing up, sabji, rice, dal, and every other day there was meat, eggs. ये खाते थे हम लोग.
and your wife is a Bengali, so does she
fish.
make
Yeah,
fish?
she consumes fish. I'm a vegetarian. She consumes a lot of fish.
And your baby?
He is eating everything. I
Really?
want him to eat everything, and he enjoys it. His favorite is
So you're not that new age mom and dad जो नमक नहीं चीनी नहीं ये.
नहीं.
all
चीनी तो खाता ही नहीं है, देते नहीं उसको भी.
हाँ.
बट जो हम खाते हैं नमक वमक सब खाते हैं, जो हम खाते हैं वही खाते हैं. Whatever he eat,
How old is he?
He's 1 year 3 months now. And I mean मेरे घर वालों ने मुझे बड़ा कर दिया, and they gave me whatever घर में बन रहा था. We try not to give him packet because मैं खुद नहीं खाता.
हाँ.
So it's not that I don't eat stuff from packets. So मैं उसको देता नहीं हूँ.